Oracle database is having Oracle driver. MySQL database is having MySQL driver. Like this. Okay. Next, second step. Coming to second step. Create entity class. Create entity class for DB table mapping. Create entity class for DB table mapping. I will tell you how to create the entity class for database table mapping. Okay. Next one, create repository interface. Create repository interface. These two things are new. Next one, configure data source properties in application.properties file. We are creating Spring Boot application. By default, start class is coming and application.properties file is also coming. In that application.properties file, we need to configure data source properties. In that application.properties file, we need to configure data source properties. Create starter application with below dependencies, starter data JPA, and add the JDBC driver. Driver we need to select based on database we are using. For Oracle database, we need to use Oracle driver. For MySQL database, we need to use MySQL driver. Create entity class for database table mapping. Create repository interface to perform DB operations. Okay. Then we need to configure data source properties in application.properties file. Configure data source properties in application.properties file. Call repository methods to perform DB operations. Call repository methods to perform DB operations in start class. Or else it's optional, guys. Call repository methods to test application functionality. Call the repository methods to test application functionality. You got my point? Come on, guys. Read the steps now. What are the steps I have given? Okay. Guys, 1 second. From morning onwards, one of our student messaging me is having some issue. Ismail, what is your issue, man?
Hi, good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, just can I share my screen so that you can see it properly where I'm facing the issue?
1 second.
Yeah.
So I'm sorry, sir. Actually, from today morning, I was not able to
It's
call you. I'm having my office work.
I can
Yeah, guys, check it. This guy facing some issue in the project. Let's see what is the problem that is facing. Share it, man. Share your screen. Let's tell him what is the problem he is facing and what is the solution for that. If people see what is the root cause. Ismail, share your screen. Unmute your mic, buddy. Ismail Pasha.
Can you see my screen, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, see. Just I'm creating one project here.
Okay. different name.
Yeah. I'm adding the dependency here. More dependency we need to add. It's loading. One more dependency is missing, sir. I forgot which dependency.
Lombok.
Yeah, Lombok, exactly.
Close all the remaining projects. Right click. Close unrelated projects. Right click on this. Close unrelated projects.
Where, sir?
Right click on the project. Which project you want to you created just now? Right click on that.
Yes, it's loading.
Hold on. It's getting created now. Right click on that. Close unrelated projects.
How, sir? I can't get you properly.
That one. Close unrelated projects. Close unrelated projects.
Yes.
Okay.
Hold on. Still it is not done. Yeah, show me what is your problem.
See, when I'm opening the pom.xml here, it's loading. It's taking a lot of time to load.
I think still the project is getting created, man.
Here you can able to see that import getting started content. See, it's not getting resolved. I'm trying from the morning. Actually, it got stuck at the 79% only.
Saurabh is faced the same issue. Saurabh,
Actually, I've downloaded a JDK 8
on
Java 8 version.
Saurabh faced the problem.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, क्या solution क्या भाई?
You have to close these last three rate.
Refreshing,
You have to
waiting.
cancel the last three.
Last three operations he has to close. His ID system configuration is very low. That's why he's getting stuck.
Right, sir.
Hey, Ismail, there are red color buttons are there, right? 4 red color buttons are there. You need to, here in the window. Yeah, close the last 3. Close the last 2.
This one also? Okay, because of that.
Save it now.
Yeah, saved. But still showing that only.
I think the project has to be created when your system is very slow, man. Configuration is very low. 4 GB RAM or 8 GB RAM?
8 GB it is.
Then why should not
Hello, sir.
Yeah, sort of.
After that, he has to only update the project, sir. Post update.
Ismail, right click. First of all, one thing, guys, see what is the problem he's doing. All his projects are in the open status. So IDE will take a lot of time. Whenever you are working on multiple projects in the IDE, only that project you need to open, you need to close the remaining projects. That is what I told you. Right click on the project, close unrelated projects. Only this demo phone should be open. Remaining all projects should be closed.
This is what happening, sir. I can't able to edit anything because of that running status.
Once that running status got completed, you have to close all the projects.
Yeah, it's taking several hours, but it's not completing. It's getting stuck at 79 only. If If I keep
Close.
it from morning to evening also, it's getting stuck at night.
Waiting user operation. You close it.
This one?
Last one.
Second, last one.
Yeah.
Hello, Ismail.
Yes.
Yeah,
This one.
it will not get closed. You have to go to progress. Okay.
Here.
Here, and you have to close all the.
You can't able to go. This is the problem. Exactly.
Close the second red button also.
Yes.
Resolve plugin dependency. You close that also. Click on that. Close that as well.
This one also.
Yep. Click.
Yeah, I tried that one also, but it's getting stuck here only.
Man, there is nothing that I can do or he can do or anybody cannot do here.
Ismail, it
The
will
thing
get
is-
get completed. Please wait for some time.
No, actually I waited for 3 to 4 hours, but still it's loading like that only.
Let me complete, Ismail. Here,
Yes.
the problem is whenever you are using this Maven, it is
Yes.
unable to download that Maven dependency. What are the dependencies you have added? Very first time you have added those dependencies. That's why it is taking time to download those dependencies.
Okay.
There are some of the dependencies got corrupted. You do one thing, forcefully you close your IDE. Okay, you close your IDE, you delete the .m2 folder and you restart your IDE with a high internet speed. Then all
Okay.
the Maven dependencies will be downloaded.
Okay, sir, I'll try it
So
later.
this is completely problem related to Maven dependencies are not getting downloaded properly. They are continuously waiting. And one more thing is, next time whenever you open your IDE, don't keep all the projects in the open state. Your IDEs will get hanged.
Okay, got
You
you.
need to right click on the project, close unrelated projects. Only that project which you are currently working on, that should be in the open state.
Okay. Okay, sir, thank you.
Good.
Hello, sir.
Hi Saurabh.
Hi, sir. I would like to add one thing, sir.
Ah.
If you go with the 4.x versions now, then you will get this problem. And then I tried with the 3.9 version,
Ah.
so I will not get any problem like this.
Okay,
So
3.9
we can-
version having no issue.
Yes, sir.
4.x version of STS having some issue, you are saying.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So shall I need to download a 3.9 then?
Yeah, you can download and try.
You can use 3.9.11 or 3.9.6, whichever, sir, you yesterday provided that, right?
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Sure. Guys, now, today we have seen that data JPA, very basic introduction. What is data JPA and what is data JPA and what is the procedure to develop the first application by using data JPA? In this procedure also, second step and third step and fourth step are confusing for the people. I mean, these all steps are confusing for the people because very first time we are going to build our data JPA application. Okay, so in the tomorrow session we are going to develop our first application by using data JPA. So I hope everybody having the database already installed in your system. As we are already having the database installed in our system, we will complete the application development, first application development tomorrow. If anybody don't have the database, please install the database in your system. I told you, you can go with either Oracle database or MySQL database, no problem. Any one database we need. If you have both databases also, I don't have any problem. If you have both databases also, we don't have any problem. At least one database is required to discuss data JPA. So tomorrow we will develop our first application by using data JPA. Simply, I will follow these steps. I will tell you how to develop our first application by using data JPA. Thank you guys. See you tomorrow.